Hello everyone. Yesterday we have studied different statement which is related to conditional. Okay. How we can use different conditional statement in the Python. So yesterday we have studied that some conditional statement which we are going to review that conditions. Okay. Today we are not going to learn new things. Yesterday there are only two students, three students. So others are not able to join because of exams. Some of students are have exams, so therefore they are not able to join. So today we will look again that condition statement, which help to those who are available in yesterday also. Those help to revision it. Okay. So today we will learn condition statement. Okay, condition statement is it help us to write and condition of different things, whether we want to check even or odd number, whether we want to check our user enter password is correct or wrong. Okay, suppose we want to extract first 10 number. So with the help of if statement, we can use if statement and we can perform different tasks to extract our output. Okay, so if statement is a very easy statement. So we will look this statement which contain if, nested if else, while, for, and nested for loop. Okay, so these are very important statement in programming to perform different tasks. So programming mind is depend on these conditions. Okay, these conditions are very important in the programming. The base of programming is depend on this condition because there are many use cases in the future. There are many difficult tasks which are depend on these cases conditional statement. Okay, so we will look the syntax of conditional statement. Okay, so if statement, the syntax is very easy. If we need to write if keyword, after if we need to specify our condition and give the colon. After giving colon, we can write our true statement. Okay, whenever this condition will true, then the program will execute this statement, else it will come outside the statement. Okay, this statement if true, then this condition will be written, else it will be came directly outside. Okay, so today we will see some example. With the help of example, we will learn this statement. So our first example is check student passing marks. Okay, suppose there is student is in the class and we want to just classify class in the two parts, whether student is pass or fail, whether student is pass or fail. So there is a pricing criteria in our schools, colleges is 45 marks. Okay, 40 and 45 marks. Okay, so let's see our passing marks is equal to something 45. Okay, and this is our passing marks. Now we want to take input from the user. Yesterday we have see how to take input from the user. Okay, just enter marks, just create a new parameter, enter mark, just press int input, give the message, enter the mark of XYZ student. Okay, here we have take the input command. Input is help to take the response from the user. Okay, and we have converted that input in the integer. Okay, got it everyone? Don't confuse here. Okay, now we want to check this condition whether our enter marks is greater than passing marks or not. If greater than passing marks, then student will be pass, else it will fail. Okay, write your if statement, then write your condition. condition should be enter marks, just copy, paste, is greater than this passing marks. Then you need to write a message as student is pass. Okay, student is pass. Okay, student is pass. Okay, suppose if we run this code, then this code will ask to enter the user to particular number. Okay, that's my GPU is connecting to the server. Once it is connected, it will be execute. Okay, keep in your mind, whenever it is connecting, it will not run. Okay, suppose now you have entered 10, which is very less marks. Okay, so student this for loop if condition will not be executed. Okay, we have entered and this if condition is not executed. Is it clear all? Okay, now we are going to run this in second time, and now we are going to enter more than 45 months. Okay, which is 50. And after entering, we got the result as student is pass. Okay, this is the hard-coded message. It came from the input command, and this is our exactly output. Student is pass. Got it? So our next example is whether the particular number is even or odd. Okay, only we need to check even. Okay, we can't check with the help of if command. We can't check odd. Okay, only if statement we need to just pass our true conditions only. Okay, in if else we will check even and odd. Okay, now if suppose a number. Okay, number module 2 is equal to 0. This is our condition for the even number. Okay, how to check even number? When this condition is true, then that number remainder is equal to 0. Okay, then this condition will be true, that number is even number. Okay, then just print the message number is even. Okay, number is even. Suppose we have stored 2 marks. Okay, 2. So 2 module 2 remainder is 0, 0 is equal to 0. Okay, the condition is satisfied. Then it will be print the number is even. Okay, if your number is odd, you change this as 3, then your number is odd, remainder is 1. So this condition is not executed. Okay, so our third example is password checker. Suppose you have stored your password is equal to ABC. Okay, and now you want to verify user enter password. Okay, if you have your mobile in your hand and you have kept your password as ABC, and someone want to try to change you open your mobile password and he enter, so we need to take input from the user. Okay, user password. Okay, suppose you store, and this here we did not do change data. Now our password is in string format. Okay, so we need to use only input command, enter the password. Okay, enter the password and it will store in the user variable. Again, if statements, whether this password is equal to your original password, then only the if statement will execute, else it will be through an error. It will be directly throw outside the if statement. Okay, print print correctly enter password. Okay, got it? If this condition is true, then your password is correct. Else your password is wrong. So if you enter small abc, okay, so it will throw an error. It will not execute because we have stored in password. We have set our password as capital ABC. Capital ABC. We need to enter our password as capital ABC. Is it okay? After entering actual password, it is executed. Okay, so we have studied the three conditional statement. These two statement you need to solve and give me the answer. Okay, check the user enter number is integer or not. Okay, this is your first question assignment, and this is your second assignment. Check user enter number is in the list or not. Okay, so you need to verify this two if statement problem. Okay, with the help of if you need to verify that. Okay, so now we will move forward. Okay, so now we will learn if and else statement. So syntax of if else statement: if this condition is true, then the true statement will be print. If this is false, then else statement will be executed. Okay, so till now we have studied only if condition is executed, then program is condition is true, then program came in the statement parameter in the if statement. Okay, if this statement is false and we want to print the message, then we need to give the else statement. Okay, else command, and after else you will give the meaningful message to the user. Else if this is true, then you need to this result. Else you need to this result. Okay, suppose now we will check the even and odd number again. So this is very basic program to learn that. Okay, now we want to check whether user enter number is even or odd. Okay, let's try. Again we need to take, we will copy this number again. Okay, this is our program. We check. So now we want to take this number from the user. Okay, here I have clearly written as user enter number. Okay, so the number should be taken from the user, from the input command. Enter the number. Okay, so if this number is in string. Okay, so you need to convert in integer. So you need to convert that number in integer. Okay, suppose this number is even, then your message will be this. Now this condition is false. Okay, this condition is false, and you want the second parameter. Okay, which is odd. When this is true, then your number is even. When this is false, then your number will be odd number, right? Your number will be number is odd. Okay, so let's check right now. Now we will get result at both the condition, whether condition will true, where else condition will false. Let's check. 45 is odd number. Now it is going to odd number. Here what happens, this condition is going to false because 45 module 2 is not equal to 0. This condition is false, so it is not executed this message, and it is directly executed the else message, whatever we have stored. Get it? Please talk with me. If you not get, I will explain again. Okay, don't get any confusion in your mind. So again we run this program, and this time we will run with the even number. Suppose 16 is an even number, and run, then only first condition is printed. This second condition is not printed because only this condition is true, and the the program has returned only the printf command. Okay, this is has completely ignored. Get it? So this is simple if statement. So now we will check the second example, okay, which is check whether student got more than 45 marks, then display the message to the user. Okay, suppose here we have entered. Okay, this is same program we have take for the second example with second condition, which is if else. If marks is greater than that particular condition, then student is pass. Else you need to write give an message he is failed. Okay, you need to write the message that particular student is failed. Okay, suppose you have entered 45. Okay, 45 is less than 45. Okay, it is not equal to 45, so it is showing fail. Again run that code again and write. Now user got 99 marks and he is pass. Okay, and both the condition b you will get the result. Okay, simple. Now your task is to solve these two example again. Write a program of salary increment of employee as per their experience. Okay, as per their experience. Okay, so you need to write a program of each statement as per their experience. If a particular student employee has more than 10-year experience, then his salary should be high. Okay, how you can write? I will just suggest you experience employee. Okay, suppose is greater than 10 years. Okay, 10 years. Okay, then its increment will be 10%. Okay, so how can, and its salary suppose something 10,000. Okay, suppose he has 10,000. Now if experience is greater than 10, then you need to increase that his salary to the 10%. How can you make that program? Just write your if command. Okay, and if command you need to enter the experience of that particular employee. So user employee experience is a employee experience. Okay, employee experience. Here this is your condition. Okay, condition employee experience condition. Okay, you want to 10 year. If greater than 10 year, then you want to increase their salary. Okay, so I have converted in the integer. Again input and enter the years of experience. Okay, years of experience. So it will give you an integer number. Okay, so here if you store if greater than your conditional statement condition, which is this. Okay, then uh, this double invert, this is colon. Okay, keep in mind. Then your salary is equal to greater than 10%. Okay, so you need to calculate this plus 10% of that salary. Okay, so multiply by 10%. You can calculate like this. Okay, multiply by 10%. So your salary will be automatically increase. Okay, your salary will be automatically increase. Is salary will not be increased. Okay, salary as it is, you will get as it is. Okay, so we will write it in printf. You should also use return salary. Okay, okay, just print salary here, print salary. Okay, again same message you have copy and paste. Okay, suppose you enter the marks, the experience which is less than 10 years, then you will get as it is at 10,000. Okay, just you have entered 4. Okay, you have got salaries 10,000. Okay, suppose you run again and enter more than 10 years, suppose 12 years, the experience is 12 years, then it was multiplied 10. Okay, so you need to multiply by 1.10. Okay, so it will be increased 10%. Okay, suppose the experience is 12 years and it will add that 10% salary in the existing salary. Okay, so did you got the example how can you use if condition and where you are going to use this if conditions? Okay, so there are multiple tasks you will check with the help of this if conditions. There are different problems, the problems nature whatever, okay, in your daily life. Okay, that problem you need to solve with the help of this conditional statement of programming. Okay, so programming is help to the reduce the human work with the help of such conditions. Okay, so this program will indirectly check, no need to calculate you with the help of calculator and pen and paper, just write this program, enter the experience, whether that experience is greater than that particular your condition, then his salary will be automatically increased. Okay, so this the last one, this will be you should try in your own. This is example number 4 student pass or fail program. Just you need to give this, we have already tried here, just you again try. And okay, this so you should try, write a program and check running time of competition. If it's taking more than 50, then print not selected, is selected. Okay, this is the condition of our program. If particular runner is came in a 50 minutes, okay, there is a 10 kilometer of running, and you the if that runner particular competitor is came within the 50 minutes, then it is selected, he is selected. Okay, else he is not selected. This is the say example, so you need to try and give me the output. Okay, so you should try it. Okay, so our next target is we will see nested if. Okay, yesterday we have see nested if, here we will learn in deep. Okay, nested if. So in nested if we need to write, we have to write two statement, two conditional statement inside one if. Okay, suppose our example is this. Okay, in this statement, let's see the syntax. The parent, this is a parent if and this is the child if. Okay, if parent condition will be true, then it will be execute this condition, and after this condition it will be check again this condition, and it will be give the result. Okay, suppose there is example, check whether number is even and greater than 100. Okay, so this is our condition. If you want two conditions, your number should be greater than 100 and number should be even. Okay, so with the help of nested if, how can you compute the output? Okay, let's say if, let's take the input from the user number. Let's see, you have stored user number as int, again input, again enter the number. Okay, we have converted it is an integer. Okay, then in if command, okay, if command, you need to check two conditions. You need to check whether that number is even and greater than 100. First we will check even. Okay, as we have learned how to check even number, just write that condition, module 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this, then you need to write your printf message, number is even. Okay, now you want to check your second condition. Okay, second condition is that your number should be more greater than 100. Okay, so let's check your second condition. If, else it will be stop here. Okay, else again your this number is greater than 100. Success. Okay. If this both condition will be true, then you will get the success message. Else it will not print anything. Okay. Okay. Let's check. Suppose you have run the program and you have entered 10. 10 is a even number, but your second condition will not follow. Okay. So your program came and end at this point. Okay. So this condition is end. Okay. So your the task is not complete. Okay, so whatever what you want to output, it is not getting. Okay, your output is to see the success message. Again run, and this time you have enter 102. Yeah, 200. Okay, something 200, and this is even number is greater than 100. So your task is completed. Got it? Your task is completed. So both condition is successful and your finally goal is achieved. Okay, both the condition has success. So again, you need to check. Okay, check user enter number which is length is greater than 8 character and less than 15 character. Okay, where we use this? Actually, we our password in our password we are using this condition. Our password should be greater than 8 character and less than 15 character. How you can check again that condition? So with the help of if condition, you will get that particular output. Okay. Suppose. So how can you check? So here condition will be changed. Okay. So here will be your password. And you don't need to convert in integer. Okay. So keep in string format. Okay. And your user input, okay, this length, okay, should be greater than 8. Okay, should be greater than 8. Sorry, this length greater than. So with the help of len command, you will get the length of that. Okay, that parameter. Okay, with the help of len command, you will get the length of the string. Okay, is greater than 8, and the second condition is it should be less than 15. Okay, it should be less than 15. Then it will be it will be give you the message as success. If else your password will be not taken by the system. Okay, just run. Now you have entered 1 2 3 4. Okay, which is less than 4 character. So your final message is success is not getting to you. Okay, again run, and now you have given 8 more 9 character. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 a b a c v b n. Okay, this is a 9 character. Okay, and when you enter, then you will get that message as success. Okay, so the password checker criteria will be success. Okay, it is success. Get it? So other example, you should try your own way and give me the solution. Okay, the logic I am teaching you the logic only. Okay, the remaining part you should handle. Okay, any difficulty I will help you.